This is Retro. They're litter mates. See the big head?
No.
That's what we're going for. You see how big his head is? That face? Very unique. And then that's his litter mate, Rambo. Even though they're litter mates, they're distinct. You can see their faces are distinct. But they're our litter mates. And then Rascal is from the second litter. Same parents. Rascal's shorter and wider. He's stout. And then we have Rosh at 4 years old. He's completely different. No, he's Serbian. And then Reddy's our grandpup. He's Serbian and German.